Hey everybody, it's Travis Holzem with Food Forest Design Solutions, and just want to make a quick video to invite you to sign up for the Food Forest Design Solutions affiliate program and make passive income without working too hard. If you have 30 minutes, you can, become an affiliate and start making money as an affiliate in about 30 minutes. Pretty much all you got to do is to become an affiliate of Food Forest Design Solutions is go to a link that's below this video. It would be Food Forest Design Solutions, and then once you get to the website, click on Become an Affiliate. I'll have a button right in the very top that you can't miss. Let's see, what color should I make it so you can't miss it. I'll do it right now. It will be an orange button, all right? And it'll say, or red button, it'll be red, Become an Affiliate. And click on that, sign up, name, email address, in your home address, just so for your contact information, and then your PayPal email address so you can get paid. And then there's going to be other alternate payment systems like Cash App and Venmo, but that will be added. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it. But I invite you to sign up, and you have all the content provided for you. And all you have to do, once you sign up, you'll get your own unique link to my website. So when you send that link to somebody and they click on it and they go to my website, that is tracked specifically to you as an affiliate. So they come and they schedule a consultation with me, and they end up buying a Food Forest design for their yard or their property or whatever. You will receive a commission from that. And everybody starts at a certain percentage. It's 10 gonna be, I think I have it set for 10% right now. So on a $1,000 Food Forest, you're getting $100. And the average is in the $2,000 to $3,000 range. So that's a $300 commission, right? And if you got one of those a day sent, if you have a big following on social media, that could add up pretty quick for you. And I'm looking for influencers, people who want to help change the world and show people how to grow food. My company provides the design work, the installation, the maintenance, and we do all the work. All you got to do is send people our way, and we'll do the selling. Myself and my team will do all the sales. And once we get that sale and we get that design paid for, you get a payment, commission. And we have different designs you can get paid for. We start at $1,000. Some are real small, in the $500 or $750 range, and you could sell those all day long if you want. They're easier to install at people's places, but we also have farms. We design permaculture farms. Permaculture, we'll call it a farmstead or a homestead. People call off-grid places homesteads, but this is also going to be a farm. So I call it a permaculture farmstead community. Then you can turn it into a community. But a design for one of those, because you're talking a 5-acre property and you're talking pretty well thought out design of a farm that we'd have to talk. That's a whole new video to talk about what is on a permaculture farm and everything that's available there. But a design for one of those is, we're talking $20,000, $30,000, depending on what size it is, or $15,000, $20,000. So imagine a 10% commission on one of those a week. People with land are starting to take notice, and they're starting to wake up, and they want to start using their land to become self-sufficient for themselves, their families, and their communities. That's where you come in. So if you have a following, and this could be a really great opportunity for you to make some good passive side income while we do all the work. You just send the leads. And it doesn't matter where in the U.S. you are, because I have access to designers all over the country and all over the world for that matter. I can get a hold of somebody. And since I started this business 4 years ago, have built up a lot of contacts in the industry and a lot of subcontractors and designers all over the world that have the same mission that we do, and that's growing food. And every one of them is professionally educated in permaculture, certified in permaculture in their part of the world, and some are experts at every part of the world because they travel around the world and they learn in other climates. And so this is an industry whose time has come, an idea whose time has come. And I'd like for you to join me and get in the beginning, because this food forest design, installation, and maintenance is going to blow up the next few years in the landscape industry, because it's smart. And it's also going to make people rich, because if you have a company providing all these services, and then once you have the food forest installed, you can come back and provide maintenance for that food forest for a monthly fee. And then there's all different types of things, services that you can offer along with that. It's going to change the landscape industry for planting trees, because they're going to be food producing, and they're going to benefit everybody and solve a lot of the biggest problems we face. But please join my affiliate program. And like I said, if you have a good following, you're an influencer, I'd love to talk to you. And, let's work out a deal. And, but reach me, Travis, at foodforestabundance.com, or on my website, foodforestdesign.solutions. And let's talk. Have an amazing day, my friends. Grow food, not lawns.